Hello guys, and welcome to my random video. That amorok guy, aka Mickey Farkin, and this is just a little update video on the repairable amorok that I brought from auctions. And I just got home from work today, and I had a couple of guys here just to put some things together, and let's see how it looks. I even haven't started the car. I heard it's running, so there's no any codes or anything. So let's just see how the things look and what have they done. So obviously I got a second-hand bonnet and I got it painted. Actually the color looks pretty nicely matched. I got this piece with the bumper, so that's been replaced. This piece that has been replaced, so it's just been bolted back where it goes. This thing here that was bent, that was pulled out and straightened up. And obviously the whole radiator and everything has been done there as well. I got a second hand from the wreckers, so all three of them with the condenser and with the fan. So that looks all connected up. Wow. So they've been here maybe for half a day, 3-4 hours, putting things together. And wow, let's just put the bonnet down. Still need to put the things there, but that's looking pretty good. Tomorrow I gotta put some lights and stuff. That looks amazing. Starting to take shape really nicely. Let's see this thing start. Oh, a little tiny beast. We got 201. Oh. Opa. Sounds like an amorok. Oh, sun is in my eyes. Sounds like an amorok. Coming from that amorok guy. Just a quick update. Hopefully they'll be here tomorrow as well, and then I'll do another quick video, and then I'll try to post something all as one for who is interested. But yeah, thanks for watching, and this is a bit of an update of what's happening, and then hopefully we get it registered soon as well. Everybody have a good day. Thank you. Hello guys, and welcome to the update of the repairable ride-off amorok that I bought from the auctions. Finally, I had a couple of people and it's been put together, as you can see. If you look at the previous video, you can see how much damage there was. There was nothing too much, it was just the bonnet, front bumper, the top radiator support and the whole radiator, so everything has been replaced, and now it looks awesome. Really happy how it turned out. Only that piece there has been bent a little bit, so that has been pulled out, and then I just replaced the whole top end radiator support with an old one. Looks amazing. Very, very nice. And up. That was one of the other replacements I bought for what I had to do, and that's the old radiator. That's the top radiator support. Now I'm gonna take the bad boy for a spin and see how it goes. It's been sitting here for a while. A lot of grass has been cut, but didn't get a chance to cut it there. Oh. Starts very nicely. Oh, it's very hot in here. 2 nights ago I had this guy come at like 7 o'clock to top up my aircon. Oh, I got cold aircon. Blast it up. Oh. Now I'm gonna go take it for a spin and I'll be back. Well, can't cut the grass. As always, the rain is coming. Just took the AMAROK for a spin and it sounds good, drives good, aircon is good. It's raining as always when I make the video, so I'm very happy how it's going. But first I need to get this one for Queensland inspection. This one was not damaged. It just had a minor mechanical issue which had a mouth in the engine bay. So I took it to a mechanic. And the mechanic changed the harness and it's all good. Oh, it's too windy now as well and it's raining. So thank you for watching. Hopefully I'm gonna upload sometime soon. And also this one has some upgrades, so I'll need to get that sorted soon as well. Thanks for watching, guys. It's raining.